Hi guys, today I have some unboxing from Hermes to do and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oxana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today is unboxing. It's been a while since I did any unboxing specifically from Hermes, and I mean Hermes boutique directly, and I'm talking about my local boutique because you know I have some little bit of saga happening with my local boutique. Nevertheless, I have a few items to share. This one I actually got it still in January, just before the price increase, and I will share you old prices and we can check also the new prices on the website. And then I have something over here, so cute. I absolutely adore it. I already have one of these items in my collection. I almost given away already. And there is a few cosmetic items, and I already watched several YouTube videos about these cosmetic items, and I'm so excited to try on because I think it will be good, especially during the summertime. So let's start it. And I'm gonna start from cosmetics because this is one of the quite popular items. I haven't got the chance myself to try it yet. And one of these items is Hermes Plein Air Radiant Matte Powder. That's how it looks like. Before I proceed, I have a few words to say about this specific product. I heard so many positive reviews about this product, but frankly, in plain words, I don't really like it. It doesn't work for my specific skin. It's supposed to be some kind of luminescent powders that work for all skin type, and I would say it might, but I think it's more to remove kind of shine and grease of the face. If you want completely matte look on your skin, then it most likely will work for you. When I try this product, I find that the face looks extremely matte. There is no any trace of kind of luminescent look on the face, and it's almost like making my face lacking of dimensions, and that's what I don't like about this product. Let me know what you think of this product, if it's working for you or not. Thank you, and let's continue to the next one. And my understanding, it just goes with everything, because what it does, it just simply removing kind of oily look of your face. So excited to try this beauty, especially during the summertime. You know, right now it could be really handy. So just gonna put this one back. And guys, I know that because as I said, I already watched so many other videos in regards to this one. So if you have something to comment in regards to this kind of powder, please let me know. And the other things I got, it's kind of tinted moisturizer, and I believe it's also sunblock, because just looking at the ingredient I can see that it has a titanium dioxide, so it's clearly a sunblock, and that's what I wanna try. And I got it in the shade number 40, and it's and this is kind of a little bit cool tone and little bit deeper cool tone, let's put it this way. And I tried at the boutique right on my arm, because like usually during the summertime I get a little bit kind of little bit darker skin, clearly because I get you know, exposure to the sun. And I tried on my arm, let me just show you, and it's literally blends away absolutely perfectly. You cannot even see it. So I'm very excited to try this new product, because you know the summer is on the street and that's what we need. absolutely excited to try this product as well. So once again, comment below if you already use this product and how do you like it. Before I proceed with other unboxing, I have something to say about this specific product. First, I'm confused. Is it actually sunblock or not? Because on the packaging, you can see on the left, when I actually did unboxing, there is a white sticker that covering SPF 30. And I was also a little bit confused. I was like, what kind of sticker is that? And then I removed this sticker, and underneath that sticker, it says SPF 30. It looks like employees at Hermes intentionally put that specific sticker covering SPF 30. I don't know why, what is the reason. In fact, when I asked my SA, can I have that moisturizing sunblock, she corrected me and she named it something differently, like some kind of moisturizer or something, or tinted moisturizer, but she kind of ignoring the word sunblock. And it looks like that Hermes intentionally covering information that it's actually SPF 30. Please let me know if you know anything about this specific issue, or it's maybe not even an issue, but I'm not sure why they're covering that information. Second things, I mentioned about the tones that I choose, and I tried in the boutique on my arm, and it looks like it's blending in very nicely, but in fact it was quite dark for me. So make sure that you're actually testing on your face, not on your arms, because like, you know, during the summertime we usually have darker arms. At least I have darker arms because of the driving and stuff, so it's always exposed to sun, and on my face it was actually quite dark. So that's what I want to add to this this unboxing and this information. Hi guys, over here I'm gonna insert another unboxing that I just got recently before we continue with other unboxing from this specific video, because I just don't want to make an additional video just for one item. And this one I was able to score it from the Hermes website, and I actually want to have this item for a very long time, so that's how it came. So you can see that it's something small. So this is the invoice. I love packaging from the website. They always put invoice in such a neat you know, envelope, and I truly appreciate that. And I'm gonna share the new price. The new price for this item is $660 Canadian before taxes. And in Toronto we have 13% taxes, so yeah, quite a bit of taxes, what can I say. So, and I will show you how it looks like. Okay. There you go, guys. And this is Caldi Duo wallet in Epsom Noir with palladium plated hardware. And I wanted to have you know, something small. And the reason that I want to get it something small like that, because it has this kind of like, you know, catch-all pocket, so that you can keep your change, or even like, you know, for instance, if you need to take some kind of pills, medication, keep it over there, hair ties, like, I mean, anything small. And over here you can keep your cards, and in this pocket you can even put some of your cash. And the reason for that, like, you know, all my wallets, even Zippy wallet from Louis Vuitton or Chanel, still I find kind of bulky for smaller handbags, and I thought it would be perfect for my mini handbags, like Chanel mini. For example, in this case, I don't have to downsize myself. Oh, in fact, I have a couple of credit cards right here. So for example, in this case, if I have my We just actually put a couple of cards for here. In this case, I have my, see how neatly they go in. Then I can put even my AirPods, I can put my lipstick, I can put even my cell phone. I will show it to you guys right now. And in this case, I even can, you know, put my glasses or sunglasses on top. And I really love that. So see, that everything is inside, because the wallet by itself is much slimmer. And this is perfect for my smaller handbags. I wanted to have dual OxanaLV wallet for such a long time, but I was not able ever getting in my local boutique. And I know mostly girls are getting OxanaLV wallet in bright colors, which is, I understand why, but me being extremely practical person, I really love that it's in black, I love that it's in Epsom, and in this case I can use it, but even my husband or my daughter can use it as well, because it's such a neutral, it doesn't scream just a female wallet, you know. So let's continue with my other unboxing. So the next things I'm gonna share with you, this is my old receipt, it's in this box. So excited. I got this, as I said, still in January, specifically for summer, but just only had the chance to unbox with you guys, and I'm literally talking about it still sitting in my closet fully packed, because, you know, didn't have a chance to unbox. Okay, so this is the how it looks like. So let me just see. And I really love it when some of the things that it's not just, let's say, leather things or anything else, they still pack it in the boxes, which is like giving really beautiful touch. And this is just a plain white t-shirt, and I will show to you closer. So this is just a plain white t-shirt, and I'm so excited. The things about this t-shirt, as I said, I have my receipt over here, and I got this t-shirt right before the price increase. So I got it actually in February, sorry, not in January, in February. And literally I was on February 10th at the boutique, and February 11th the official price increase happened. And this t-shirt was $395 Canadian before taxes. I believe right now it's close to $600, and I'm so excited. And one more trick about this t-shirt, it's actually from the men's collection. And in ladies collection, it has pretty much the same t-shirt, but it has kind of more embroidery on the pocket. But this one just has one little H right there in the corner, and I absolutely love it. I wish if they have more simple t-shirts, not even with the pockets, just like, you know, put tiny H somewhere, and that would be enough for me, because I think this is absolutely classy, you know. Simple denim, just white t-shirt, and you're good to go. I'm so excited that I was able to score it before the price increase, and it's 100% cotton, and as I can see, it's a good quality. Also, I noticed with Hermes, when they're doing something for men, they're trying to make something more durable, I would say. Not that they're doing something not durable with ladies, but they know that ladies are more careful, like, you know, when they are wearing some stuff. But this is for men, and as I can see, it will be very easy even to do the wash machine, etc, etc. So excited. To be honest, right now I'm kind of a bit regretted that I didn't buy the second one, because it would be really nice. And this is the last, not least, so excited about this item. You have no idea, because I think it's the cutest things ever. So just by the box you already know what it is. And the colors are so beautiful. So let me show you. look at this cutie. Look at this cutie. So this is Hermes Rodeo Pegasus PM size in these absolutely gorgeous colors, and these colors are everything that I usually wear. This one, it looks like gold, but it's actually not gold, it's sesame. Then we have black, and then we have blue indigo. Absolutely gorgeous colors, and I want to show you the difference, because this is actually gold, and I will show you gold also on my Della. So this is gold and this is sesame. You can see how close they are in color, but just a little bit sesame, a little bit cooler, has a little bit cooler tone. And this is my second Pegasus, because as you know, my first Pegasus I got at Paris. Actually, you know what, let me go and grab it and we can compare colors. So I came back, and this is my other Pegasus that I got at Paris. And my other one, it was also sesame, mauve pale and black. So this is my second Rodeo Pegasus, once again in sesame, blue and black. How cute they are. So this is more summer, and this is clearly more winter, or I would say even any season. Absolutely excited about this two new thingy in my collection. Like this one is I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for some kind of Rodeo or Pegasus and PM size from my local boutique from very long time, and I'm so excited. So that's about it for today. Very short unboxing video for today. And once again, guys, please, if you already used these skincare products previously, let me know how it works out for you. I'm so excited to try this on, but I just obviously want some feedback. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.